Peace, everybody. What's good? It's that boy George Malachi Williams, and you are now attuned to the We Buy Homes Fast in Florida podcast. Let's go. I want to thank everybody for tuning in today. Once again, it's that boy George Malachi Williams, and I want to talk to you about anyone who may be behind in mortgage payments and may be finding, having difficulty paying their mortgage on their property, on their house. What are some of the options that you may have at your disposal? Some people, they may be 3, 4, 5 months behind in their payments, and they may not know their options, what options that they may have available to you. You may not even know that. You may feel like it's a hopeless despair. You're receiving letters from the bank. You're in the process of getting evicted. Well, what I want to do for you is I want to share with you a blog that I wrote, an actual article that I wrote on my website at We Buy Homes Fast in Florida, just sharing with you looking at some of the options and weighing the options that you may have at your disposal. You don't have to lose your house or get put out and lose it and get nothing. There are some things and tricks and tips that you can use that I'm going to share with you that may be able to help you. Let me show you my computer screen and let's see what we can do to help you, okay? Let's go. Now, when you fall behind in your mortgage payments on your Hollywood home, it can feel like you're drowning in debt, and most times you are. Even if you're able to make your monthly payment, catching up on the past due balance can be an overwhelming challenge. There are a few options that can help you avoid foreclosure in Hollywood and maybe even keep your house, even if you're seriously behind in payments. Lots of properties in Hollywood have been lost to foreclosure, but there are many ways to avoid it. Let's look at some of those options and some of those ways. Option 1, bankruptcy. This is usually the tool of last resort. If you're being crushed by lots of debt, bankruptcy can be a good way to negotiate with lots of lenders at once. It's hard work, and it won't help you avoid your mortgage. Different lenders will treat your circumstances in unique ways. You'd benefit from serious professional help, the best that you can afford. Number 2, reaffirm. This can be a good card to play, but it may come with some unseen penalties. Basically, reaffirming the loan is an additional commitment to pay. In some states where it's allowed, an affirmation can create additional liabilities if your property is auctioned. Option 3, making home affordable, or MFA. If your mortgage qualifies, you might be able to participate in MHA. Any loans backed by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac must be considered for MHA, and other lenders choose to participate in MFA. With MFA, your payments and interest rates might be lowered, even the principal balance if your home is worth less than what you owe. If you're unemployed, you might be able to get your payments temporarily suspended or reduced. MFA is a government program, so be prepared to deal with lots of paperwork. It ain't free money, and you most definitely got to work for it. Option 4, negotiate with your bank. Lots of lenders routinely offer some level of assistance. You have to work hard at it, but you might be able to get your interest rates reduced or a temporary reduction in your payment. Most of the time, lenders will want to steer you to refinance your loan. But by the time you're a few payments behind, you probably don't qualify for a reduction in interest rate. You have to work really hard to negotiate with a bank. Usually, it takes lots of calls and the patience of a saint to get through the bureaucracy. Remember, never ever act rude. Ask for help from anyone you speak with, but don't sound desperate. Explain your situation, offer supporting documents, and reassure the bank that you want to live in your home for the long term. If you're in need of a temporary fix and you want to stay in your home, most banks can be forgiving. Sometimes they'll be willing to add a few months of payments back onto the primary balance of your loan. It's all dollars and cents to them. So remind them that you need their help to give them a lot more money in the long run. If they have to sell your house at a foreclosure auction, they'll take a huge loss. Now that sounds obvious, but for some reason, bankers seem to forget it when saying no to someone in need of help. In option 5, borrow money from a private investor. If you're behind in your payments and you need to sell fast, we can help. In certain circumstances, we may even be able to help you stay in your home. We work with homeowners in Hollywood to find solutions to foreclosure problems. We'll let you know how we can help you. All you have to do is give us a call now at 305-778-2108 or visit our website at WeBuyHomesFastInFlorida.com and fill out the form below on this website to get started. Now, these are just some of the options that you might have at your disposal when it comes to saving your home. Remember, if you're behind 3, 4, 5 months in mortgage payments and you feel like there's no hope and you're in despair, there are options that you may have at your disposal. It does take a little work. It's not easy, but your simple solution may be to talk to a real estate investor or, like a company like We Buy Homes Fast in Florida. We might be able to save your home. So just give us a call at 305-778-2108. Or if you're looking to sell your home, you can get in contact with us also, because we do pay cash for properties, for homes. So again, just visit our website at We Buy Homes Fast in Florida. Fill out the short form below. Someone will get back in contact with you within 24 hours, normally very, very fast within a few hours or a few minutes. So just give us a call, 305-778-2108, or visit the website. Again, look in the description below this video. You'll see our website, as well as to follow us on social media on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Once again, this is our boy George Malachi Williams. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And we out of here. Peace out.